Hello friends, good evening. Today also I want to discuss the last year syllabus only, that is on relation and functions. Tomorrow also it will be continued, but please don't neglect, because these are the basic concepts important for exam point of view, as well as higher mathematics purely depends on these concepts only. Higher versions of these groups, subgroups, fields, etc. Okay. Now let us start with the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is the basic concept for relation and function. Cartesian product of A cross B, where A and B are non-empty sets. Remember, whenever, unless otherwise it is not mentioned that it is empty set, that is understood the sets are non-sets only. A cross B is equal to set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, okay, and B cross A is reverse. The ordered pairs are reverse. Here order is important. B comma A such that B belongs to B and A belongs to A. It is null set if either A or B is empty set. Ordered pair, two ordered pairs are equal, means suppose XY is equal to AB, implies first element of the first ordered pair is equal to first element of the next ordered pair, that is X is equal to A and Y is equal to B. One simple example is, you may ask to find X and Y. If X plus 1 is equal to 3 and Y minus X plus 1 comma Y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 2, that implies X plus 1 is equal to 3, X plus 1 is equal to 3 implies X is equal to 2 and Y minus 2 is equal to 2 implies Y is equal to 4. So values of X and Y are 2 and 4. Similarly, if X plus 1 by 2 comma Y is equal to 6 comma 7, then directly Y is equal to 7. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 means X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 implies X plus 1 is 12, or X is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 and Y is equal to 7 is the answer. Okay, if you want, you take down. Okay, consider the next result. If number of elements in A is P, number of elements in B is Q, then number of elements in A cross B is number of elements in A into number of elements in B, that is P into Q. If both A and B have the same number of elements, say P, then number of elements in A cross B is P square. Number of subsets of A cross B is 2 to the power P into Q, 2 to the power PQ. Once question is asked in CET, if A and B have n elements in common, then the number of elements common to A cross B and B cross A is, option A is n, B 2n, C 0, D is n square. The correct answer is n elements are common means n into n is equal to n square. That directly follows from this B. So answer is, correct answer is D. Take this. The distributive properties of Cartesian product. A cross B intersection C is A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B union C is A cross B union A cross C, A cross B minus C, difference A cross B minus A cross C. So these are the main concepts for Cartesian product. Remember, Cartesian product is the basic to all this. The subset of Cartesian product is relation. A relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. The total number of possible relations from A to B is 2 to the power PQ, where number of elements in A is P and number of elements in B is, suppose it is Q. We take this. Let us consider some examples basing on this. In relation, the first element of the each ordered pair is that set of all the first elements corresponds to domain and second element corresponds to the range. Okay, that is also, you need not, just you know that much is enough. Okay, let us consider one example. Let A is 1, 2, 3 so on up to 12. First 12 natural numbers. Define relation R from A to A by R is equal to the ordered pairs xy such that y minus 3x is equal to 0. X and y both are element of A. Remember this, x and y both are element of A. Then you are asked to write down R in roster form, domain and codomain of the relation and range. You know this, y minus 3x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 3x. The relation between x and y are y is 3 times x. So relation will be, if x is equal to 1, r is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. If x is 2, y is 6. If x is 3, y is 9. X is 4, y is 12. X is 5, y is 15, but 15 is not included here. Suppose if x belongs to A and y belongs to R, then you have to include all numbers. For x is equal to 12, y is equal to 36, up to that. Okay, but here both should be elements of A only. Now domain is, as I told you, the set of all first elements of this order pairs, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Codomain is the entire this set A, codomain. Remember, range is second element, set of second elements. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Consider another example. Let a relation R is defined as a set A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to a set B 3, 5, 6, 7 as R is set of all ordered pairs xy such that x divides y, first element divides second element. Then write down, the question remains same, R in roster form, domain, codomain, range. Okay, here R is, okay, first A to B, 2, 3, 2 does not divide 3, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6 is okay. Then 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, okay, 3, 7 not possible, 4 not at all possible, 5, 5, 5, 5 and 6, 6. Okay, this is the relation. Domain is set of all first elements 2, 3, 5, 6, and codomain is this B, and range is 6, 3, 5. Okay. You take this example, you try yourself. Okay. Next notion is functions. Function is a specific type of relation in which every element of A is having only one image in B. That is the condition. It should not have any two images. Suppose A is X, Y, Z, somewhere here A, B, D and E. See, so this is a function, but X should not have two images like this, or Y should not have B and D at the same time. Okay, you take that. Okay, Cartesian product of two sets is A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs in which the first element corresponds to the first set and second element corresponds to the second set. Order is important. What is R cross R? R cross R is the set of all points in two-dimensional plane. R cross R is set of all points in 3D space. Okay, real values. Okay, subset of that Cartesian product is relation, and if you impose a restriction, that means if any element of first set should contain only unique image in the second set, then that will become function. Okay, let us consider some examples from functions. Very simple it is. If fx is equal to 2x plus 5, then what is f of 2? Just substitute x is equal to 2, that is 2 into 2 plus 5, answer is 9. If Tc is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. You know this. This is the formula which explains the relationship between temperature in degrees Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay. You are asked to find C when Tc is equal to 212. Tc is equal to 212 means 212 is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. If you bring here minus 32, that will be 180. 180 9c is equal to 180 into 5, that is 900. So C is equal to 900 divided by 9 means 100. So 100 is the answer. Find the domain and range of the function fx is equal to modulus of minus modulus of x. Minus modulus of x when x is a real number. See, you know this. Modulus of x is always positive. You know the definition. So minus of modulus of x is always negative. So range of this function will be, range is minus infinity to 0 and domain is R, real life. Okay, find, see, remember these concepts are very important, domain and range, this here also you required. Find the domain and range of the function x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 4. You are asked to find the domain and range. Okay, see what is the condition for domain here. Fx is defined only for the values of x for which denominator is, fx is defined, fx is defined when denominator is not equal to 0. This should not be 0, that is x square minus 5x plus 4 should not be 0, that is x minus 1 into x minus 4 if you factorize is not equal to 0. That implies x minus 1 is not equal to 0 and x minus 4 is not equal to 0, that is x not equal to 1 and x not equal to 4. That means the all real values except 1 and 4. So domain is all real values except 1 and 4. So what is range? Range may be any real number. Range may be any real number. Find the range of the function fx is equal to 2 minus 3x, where x is real number and x is positive. Okay, x is positive means minus x is negative. So minus 3x is also negative. If you add 2 on both sides, this is 0 plus 2. So that is 2 minus 3x, that is nothing but fx. Fx is less than 2. So range for fx is less than 2 means minus infinity to both open interval. If fx is 2x square, find f of 3.8 minus f of 4 divided by 3.8 minus 4. That implies 2 times 3.8 whole square minus 2 times 4 whole square divided by minus 0.2. That is, if you take 2 common, 3.8 squared 4 squared divided by minus 0.2 is equal to 2 into 3.8 plus 4 into 3.8 minus 4 divided by 0.2. If you work out, this will be 15.6. Fx is root cos x. This is once asked question. The four options are 3 5 by 2 to 2 5, 0 to 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2, 0 to 5 by 2, union 3 5 by 2, comma 2 5. Okay, fx is defined when cos x is positive. Cos x is positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Cos x is positive in first and fourth quadrant. So first quadrant means that is x belongs to 0 to 5 by 2, comma union 3 5 by 2 to 2 5. Okay, also cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Therefore C is also correct answer. So correct answers are, answer is both. So x belongs to minus 5 by 2 and 5 by 2, both C and D, but D is more correct. Another question from CET is the range of the function fx is equal to root of 9 minus x squared is closed interval 0, open interval 3. Both 0 and 3 are not included. Both 0 and 3 are included, 0 to 3, and 0 is not included whereas 3 is included. Okay, here y is equal to root of 9 minus x squared, or y squared is 9 minus x squared, or x squared is equal to 9 minus y square, which is non-negative because x square cannot be negative. So this implies y square is less than or is equal to 9. Therefore y lies between minus 3 and plus 3. Y lies between minus 3 and plus 3, but fx is non-negative. This is defined for real values, so y should be positive half. Therefore correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Okay, let us continue next day. Thank you.